of Chamoli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we are going to learn about the digital weighing balances. This digital balance is of Shimadzu company with model number UX220H. It has a minimum sensitivity of 20 mg and maximum of 220 grams. It has a least count of 1 milligram. Let's start with the specifications of this model. It is a top-loading machine with greater stability and durability than others. The conventional electromagnetic balance sensor assembly is replaced by a block of aluminium alloy which has given high precision to it. It has a stable temperature characteristics, excellent response time and stable corner load performance. It has a built-in clock function. With the optional printer connected, records of data with date and time can be stamped here. Calibration reports can also be dated and timed accordingly. This makes it ideal for ensuring weighing control and meets the requirement of GLP, GMP and ISO 9000. Even the current date and time can also be printed during measurement whenever required. The measurement data can be imported to Excel and other Windows applications. The import software is already built in, so all you have to do is to connect by just one cable. It has a check weighing function with a buzzer support. When upper and lower thresholds are set, the balance indicates if the sample weight is within the range, over the range or under the range, and this is notified by sound of buzzer. It has a calibration range with external weights of 100 to 220 grams. It has a linearity of plus minus 0.002 grams. Now let's see the parts of balance. This is strip sheet. It prevents air pressure to hamper the weighing. This is balance pan where we put the material which we have to weigh. Then we have a power button which is used for the standby and function. Then calibration button which is used for span calibration. This is tare button. Then this tare button is used to ignore the extra weight or the weight of butter paper or any container, and it only weighs the material. Then this is unit button. This converts the weighing unit into specific gravity unit. And then print. It is used when the weighing balance is connected with the printer. Now moving to the working of this balance. Balances do not directly measure mass. They measure the force that acts downwards on the balance pan. Most weighing balances are electromagnetic balances, but here in this model, the electromagnet is replaced by a block made up of aluminium alloy, which is connected with some electrical system. The electric current required to generate this force is proportional to the weight and so can be used with appropriate calibration. This weight is displayed onto the screen. Now let's start with the operating of this Shimadzu balance. Today I am going to weigh benzoic acid 2 grams. For this we need benzoic acid, a spatula, a butter paper and a beaker for transferring it. First of all, we will take this butter paper and put it onto the balance pan. Then we will close it and wait until the reading becomes steady. Now we will press this tare button to make the reading 0. Now we will weigh this benzoic acid 2 grams. we can add or remove to make it exact. Now, as you can see, this is 2 gram of benzoic acid. We'll transfer it to the container. Now, we'll see the precautions which we have to take in whenever we weigh something. The balance should be placed at suitable location where vibration level or air current is very low. Always clean the debris or spilled material with camel's hair brush or equivalent. Whenever the balance is moved, it must be allowed to adjust to temperature of its new environment and then recalibrate it. This is all about the digital weighing balance. Thank you.